submitted. It says you should spend 20 minutes on the task, the table and chart. So this is a combination question. Table and charts below give information on the police budget for 2017 and 18 in one area of Britain. Table shows where the money came from and the charts show how it was distributed. Okay, I think it is a pretty recent question. Let's take a look a little closely. Yes. So sources are given in the table, and national government, local taxes, other sources, and total is mentioned, and how the money was spent is shown in the form of pie charts. And we see the 69%, 75% is salaries. Okay, then black is buildings and transport, and the last one is technology. Fine. Now let's take a look at the answer. The both need both table and chart. Now since we have two visuals, so we will not write delineate. We'll write delineate because two subjects, one verb, right? The information about financial estimate in $1 million of police in one sector of Britain. In one sector of Britain. Okay, you want to say police sector of police.
उन्होंने बोला था in one city of Britain. तो मैंने one sector of Britain.
Is it a city? I think it is the whole of Britain. In one area of Britain. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Now I think sector is not the right word to say. In one location, maybe you can say. In the mentioned periods. But the thing is, Nirlap, ये दोनों figures are not in $1 million क्योंकि pie chart जो है percentage में है.
Okay.
Right? So we will not write it. We can say it later on that the data in the table is in $1 million while the pie chart data is in percentages. Right? Also, it reveals the process of how cash approached. Cash was approached, meaning how cash inflow or the inflow of cash, process of the inflow of cash and how it was paid out. How it was paid out in three different categories in the same periods. Fine. Overall, it is observed. As it observed. Overall, it is observed that a very large proportion of cash account was considered by national government, followed by a significant majority was paid to government employees. Are you mixing the two things? National government is the revenue and this is the expenditure. So how can we say followed by? It is the
In
same
addition,
while or however, because the expenditure and revenue are two contrasting items. While a significant majority of the amount was paid to government employees from itna to itna, right? The proportion of salaries were precisely the same, okay, where. Where means jahan par, right? Or where, in which the proportion of salaries were precisely the same during both the periods. Fair enough. But take care of where you have to use a contrasting word, where you have to use a continuation word. To begin with, is this all? ओके,
मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन लिखा था,
ओके।
लेकिन मैम मेरे को ना समझ नहीं आया क्योंकि